Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use Terabox fast and easy in Telegram. So if you want to watch or download videos using Terabox and Telegram, you need to actually just open the app and then go to channels as see from here and search for Terabox. So after you do that, you need to click on Terabox downloader bot as see from here, and then you need to click on Start Chat. So you need to wait. After that, it will ask you to join the Terabox channel. You need to click on join and click on join channel. So after that, from here you need to just paste the link that you want to download. So after you paste the Terabox link that you want to download, it will verify that you have joined the channel. After that, you can paste it again and it will download the Terabox video for you. So there's actually more than one Terabox bot as you from here, so you can try to see whatever one will work with you, and you can do the same as you from here. You can click on start, then join channel. You can paste the videos that you want and join the backup channels, and it will download the video for you. So that's it. That's how you use Terabox with Telegram to watch and download videos. Very easy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.